Good morning student, I am back. In previous class, we already learned small cursive letters A to L. Now today we are going to teach 4 alphabet A, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Now start the class. First we will learn how to write M. It starts from third line to second line. Now down, now back and going to second line like this. Again back and go to second line and make a M like this. Again M. Now N. This start from third line to second line, down to third line, again back to second line and make a N like this. Again N. Now O. O start from third line, go to second line, make a circle between both lines and make a knob like this. Again start from third line to second line, make a circle like this, make a knot like this. O. Now start P. It start from third to first line and come down in fourth line, back to second line and make a P like this. Again start to third line to first line, make a small turn, make a straight line like this, back to second line and make a P. It's P. M, N, O, P. Now Q. It's also start from third line, make a like this, down to fourth line and आपको एक स्लैंडिंग लाइन खींचनी है थर्ड लाइन पर. It's Q. Again down and third line. स्टूडेंट्स ये आपके नीचे की 3 लाइन्स से बनेगा. It's Q. Now R. It's start from third line, go to second line, make a turn like this, go to second line again and make a it's R. Again R. Now S. Start from third line to second line, make a small turn, back to third line. इसको आपको इसको अंदर ऐसे लेके आना है. S. Again इसको बाहर की तरफ लेके आना है. It's S. Now T. It's also start from third line to first line, back to third line like this and make a sleeping line. It's T. Again start from third line to first line, back to third line like this and make a sleeping line. Now Q, R, S, T. Students, all alphabet will start from third line. I hope you learn them and you will practice neat and clean. Thank you.